If you're a founder who wants to build his own app like DoorDash but think you've already missed your window, well, you haven't. In this video, I'll tell you what nobody tells first-time founders. DoorDash didn't win because it launched first. It won because it never stopped rebuilding itself. Every year the platform looks different from the year before. AI ordering, AI-powered restaurant onboarding, predictive dispatch, it's a moving target. Which means the founders building the next big delivery platform right now aren't trying to copy DoorDash as it exists today. They're building for where the category is headed. That's exactly what we're breaking down in the next few minutes. Hi guys, I'm Rahul from iTechnoLabs. We've built 100+ food delivery apps and AI-powered platforms. We've seen this exact build from both sides. The founders who got it right and the ones who burned six figures. So let's begin. DoorDash didn't win by being first. Grubhub was first. Uber Eats had the money. DoorDash won suburbs and mid-sized cities nobody else wanted. They quietly built logistics networks where others didn't. By the time competitors noticed, DoorDash already had the driver density and restaurant relationships locked in. Today, DoorDash holds a little over half the US food delivery market, and they're spending millions on AI infrastructure. That's the benchmark everyone's chasing. So the real question is, can you actually clone DoorDash? Honest answer, not the way most people think. You cannot rebuild a decade of logistics data over a weekend. But the core engine, the three-sided marketplace connecting customers, restaurants, and drivers, is absolutely buildable today. Real-time order routing, live tracking, AI-driven personalization is more accessible now than it's ever been. You win by owning a market DoorDash doesn't care about yet, and by building it smarter from day one. Every platform needs three apps in sync: the customer app, the merchant app, and the driver app. Restaurants and drivers are your supply. Without them, the customer app has nothing to sell. Don't treat them as an afterthought. Next is dispatch logic. Your system needs to instantly match orders to drivers and calculate accurate ETAs. Real-time dispatch is the core intelligence. Get the routing wrong and you get cold food and bad reviews. You need to handle customer payments, restaurant payouts, and driver earnings. Stripe Connect saves you months of work. Restaurants need a simple way to list menus and manage availability in real time to build supply fast. Real-time tracking is the baseline. Customers expect to watch their order move from kitchen to doorstep. Your MVP just needs a working loop. Order, fulfill, deliver, and pay. Prove it in one market before scaling. Now, let's talk AI. DoorDash just rolled out its AI ordering assistant this year. That's the direction for 2026. Conversational ordering and personalized recommendation engines are now table stakes for any new platform. AI-optimized routing and predictive ETAs keep delivery times accurate even during peak demand. Industry data shows consumers prefer one connected app for ordering and reservations. Build this in from the start. If you want to own delivery in your market, let's talk. Get in touch with iTechnoLabs today. Link below.